going through this first sentence, first thing is we. That would be the subject, so I put an X over it. So we see would be first person plural. And then we have the small horses, which would be a direct object. And also the hard lands would also be another direct object. And then translating this into Latin, so we see would be just spectamus, because the pronoun will be in the verb. And now I'll use my direct objects as accusatives. I'll start with the noun, so I make sure that my adjective agrees in case, number, and gender. So equos, parvos. Et, and again I'll start with my noun to make sure that my adjective will agree with it in case, number, and gender. All right, next sentence is the big wagons. This is my subject here, and then my verb is carry, and that would be the big wagon, so I make that third plural. And then the small girl would be a direct object, and the good food would be another direct object. So down here translating, again, wagons, kari. I'll do my noun first to make sure that my adjective agrees in case, number, and gender. The wagons are third plural, so my verb is portant. Then I'll use my direct objects and make them accusative. Again, start with my noun to make sure that my adjective agrees in case, number, and gender. Again, another accusative here, direct object. So kibum, bonum. Again, I start with my noun to make sure my adjective agrees in case, number, and gender. Next one, the families. Good would be the nominative. My verb is third plural. Are not good. This would also be nominative because it's a linking verb. Another sentence because it has a conjunction, fortune. And the land, again, this would be two nominatives. And if I have two singulars, this will make this third plural. And bad, again, will also be nominative. Now to translate this, familiae, my families, in the nominative plural, are sunt, so non-sunt, are not good, boni, quod, because, fortuna, et terra, two nominatives, and two singulars make a plural, so sunt, are bad, and so bad will agree with both fortuna and terra, so again, two singulars make a plural, so this would be malai. The next one, there are, this is my main verb, so there is the subject, there are is third plural, predicate nominative here, so again, another X. There are many islands in the water. This would be ablative, so an A. But many sailors, subject, do not like, this is my verb, sailors, our third plural. The islands, and that would make this an accusative direct object. So now translating, so there are simply sunt. Many islands, I'll start with my noun to make sure this agrees. So sunt insulae multae, a nominative plural, in aqua, ablative said, but many sailors. Now this one's tricky because it's nautae, but this is where it's going to be different. Nautae is masculine, and so since it's masculine, my adjective will be second declension. So notice how these are different. Those are different, so highlight that. It's because nautae is masculine. Say do not like, non-amant, the islands, insulas. So my next sentence, you plural, is my subject. See, so you plural, so it'd be second plural. Many horses, my direct object accusative. But the bad horse subject does not work. And this would be third singular. So translating this sentence, you plural see, since this is a pronoun, we'll put it in the verb. So spectatus, many horses, so equos, maltos, accusative, direct object, said, but the bad horse, equus, malus, nominative singular, does not work, laborat. Oops, laborat. Next sentence, life, So life is nominative. Est is third singular, agreeing with life. And again, this will take a predicate nominative. So this long will agree with life. Quod, because. There is not. So second subject here. There is would be third singular. Much water. Again, that would be another nominative. So again, start my subject. Life, vita, non est longa. Quod, and then there is just in the est, non, multa, or aqua, multa. Again, nominative singulars. The farmer is my subject. And the sailors, another subject, are preparing. Are preparing. So that would be my verb, third plural. The big road. And a small cart. So I will translate this. So farmer agricola et natai are preparing, parant, the big road, viam, magnam, and a small cart, caram, this is masculine, carum, parvum. And then our last sentence, where are you? So where will start off a question. My verb is here. So where are you? This would be you singular, so this is second singular. My subject is right here. Where are you seeing the famous queen and her girls? This would be my objects. All right, oops, object. And so I will start this sentence. Ubi, where are you seeing? And so this would be spectas, and then regine, clar, et puel, os.